It is now time to introduce Teresita Rodriguez, our Vice President of Enrollment Development, who has a few announcements to make. And then we'll move on to the part that I know you're anxious about, and that is the presenting of the degrees.
We're almost there. Thank you, Dr. Jeffrey. I want to make some brief announcements about our graduates. This year marks the largest graduating class in SMC's history. 5,905 students are graduating with 9,110 degrees and certificates of achievement. 24 students are receiving a Bachelor of Science in Interaction Design, and 3,205 are receiving 2 or more degrees or certificates. And 1,104 are receiving an associate's degree for transfer. Students graduating with a bachelor's degree are wearing black gowns. Those graduating with an associate's degree or certificate of achievement are wearing a royal blue gown. You will notice that many of our graduates are wearing a stole or a cord. Students wearing a gold cord graduate with highest honors. And those are students with 4.0 grade point averages. A student wearing a silver stole graduates with high honors, and those are students with a 3.7 to a 3.99 grade point average. A student wearing a light blue stole graduates with honors, and those are students with a 3.0 to a 3.69 GPA. A student wearing a blue stole is a President's Ambassador. A student wearing a gold stole and a gold cord is a member of Alpha Gamma Sigma Honor Society, and a student wearing a gold stole and a blue and gold cord is a member of Phi Theta Kappa Honor Society. A student wearing a Kinte stole is a Black Collegians member. A student wearing a Serape stole is an Adelante program member. A student wearing a purple cord is a Law Pathways program graduate. A student wearing a red stole is an EOPS care student. A student wearing a purple stole with blue trim is a Guardian Scholars member. A student wearing a stole with the Associated Students logo is a student government leader. A student wearing a white stole is a student athlete. Now, as we prepare to call the students to the stage to be recognized, we request that you do not use air horns, and yes, I heard you. Please do not photograph the graduates from the field. There is a designated photography area in the center of the bleachers, and a professional photographer will photograph each of the graduates as he or she accepts the diploma cover. Graduates have been advised on how to order those photographs. There are also professional photographers that will be available after the ceremony on the field to take professional family photos, which can then be ordered. We ask that all guests remain in their seats until all the graduates have been announced and the recessional has left the stadium. And immediately following, all graduates and guests are invited to join us for light refreshments in the alumni reception in the quad. Please exit through the north gates and proceed east towards the quad. You can't miss it. Congratulations, graduates, and we wish you all the best.